Welcome to JH. Here is how to perform a free VIN check. The first site you can utilize is NICB. This platform has operated for more than 10 years and maintains a massive database built on trustworthy sources. You will receive a dependable, precise, and thorough VIN report at no cost. Since this site does not focus solely on VIN lookups, first-time users might find the interface a bit difficult to navigate. Another option is vehicle history. This website provides a credible and detailed background report for your car, including price forecasts, manufacturer warranties, and up-to-date recall data. Similar to NICB, it isn't exclusively a VIN search tool, yet it still delivers high-quality history reports for free. You can also try VIN Check-Free. This service is user-friendly and offers extensive reports. The data is collected from reputable sources and provided entirely for free. These VIN checking tools are compatible with nearly every international auto manufacturer and can be used to verify vehicles across the United States.